welcome to K Hair official YouTube channel. I'm Litzy and today I'm taking you behind the scene to explore our production process from selecting the finely raw hair material to crafting top quality hair extensions.
Our journey begins with sourcing the best raw hair. At K Hair, we ensure that only the highest quality natural hair makes it through our doors. We have a team of experts inspecting each batch of raw hair before it enters production. Every strand of hair is examined for quality, texture, and authenticity. We only use 100% human hair to ensure that our extensions look and feel natural. Once the raw hair is approved, it undergoes a thorough cleaning process. This step removes any impurities and prepares the hair for the next stage of processing. We use specialized shampoos and conditioners to clean the hair, followed by a series of treatments to ensure it is in the best condition for crafting. After cleaning, the hair is carefully dried and detangled. This helps maintain the hair's natural textures and prevents damage. At this stage, the hair is treated to enhance its quality. We will style and dye it according to the customer design requirement. We offer a wide range of colors and styles that match the latest trend. Behind every quality product is the contribution of our dedicated team of workers who are experienced and skilled in the hair industry. Finally, our hair extensions are packaged with care. We use protective packaging to ensure that the products arrive in perfect condition. Once packaged, the extensions are prepared for distribution. We coordinate with our logistics partners to deliver our product efficiently worldwide.
We got a graph on the journey to K Hair production process. We hope you enjoy behind the scene. Look at how we create a premium hair extension. Thank you for joining me on this tour of K Hair Factory. Contact near the WhatsApp for more detail and to place order. K Hair is always ready to serve you. See you next time.